Hello, my name is Shelby Karn, and welcome to Jerry's Music Shop. Today, I will be showing you how to put together a trombone. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the case is laid down on a flat surface facing up. Open the clasps and open up the case. First, you want to take out the bell with your left hand and the slide with your right hand, holding your fingers underneath the bottom brace with your thumb on the top brace. Secure the bell and the slide together and screw down the receiver nut with the braces at a 90-degree angle. Hold the trombone in your left hand, making sure that the slide is in the locked position so that the slide does not fall off. Take out the mouthpiece with your right hand, put the mouthpiece on, and you're ready to begin.